morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. However, we recommend that you attend the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. service every Sunday. We've got more space for you in the evening service. You're free to move, to dance, and to just express how much you love God as we all together worship Him. For the young people, the youth service is for you. 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday.
Thank God. Last Saturday, the students of Yusuf School had finished the first break. Now, they are relaxing and enjoying the same break. The second term will start on September 11, 2000. Praise God. Sa ating in-house Bible School, with Pastor Robert Lim, lahat ng students ay maraming natutunan. You are so much welcome to attend every Sunday yan at 9 in the morning. Be informed and be equipped. We have ongoing discipleship exclusive with Pastor Robert Lim every Friday, 6 in the evening.
Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month. After our morning service, all the church workers, don't forget our workers' fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another.
So all young people, iniimbitahan kita na umaten sa ating free worship today at 2 p.m. Sabay-sabay tayong umawit at sumamba sa ating Panginoon. Let's rock! Sa October 21 naman, magkakaroon ng joint fellowship ang mga kabataan ng LED FCC with our daughter churches sa Eco Park. 8 weeks to go at tayo pupunta sa Pantaw Bicol para sa ating first country mission on October 25 to October 28, 2010. On December 24, 2010, we will having a first candlelight service of ex-Christian at invited to attend. Again, BG John Day and thank you for another exciting edition of Let FCC News Update. Shalom!
Let FCC News Update.